Welcome to our detailed comparison of PhantonBuster and Expandi. Let's get started with their features. PhantonBuster offers a wide variety of automation tools for LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It can extract data, send automatic messages, and follow or unfollow users. Expandi, on the other hand, specializes in LinkedIn automation. It allows you to personalize outreach, follow up on messages, and manage campaigns. Expandi also has a unique feature that allows you to create social proof with LinkedIn posts. Moving to pricing, PhantonBuster offers a free tier and paid plan starting from $30 per month. It charges based on the number of automation actions you need. Expandi, on the other hand, has a flat rate of $19 per month with unlimited campaigns and leads. However, Expandi does not offer a free tier. Instead, they provide a 7-day trial for $1, allowing you to test their services before committing to a plan. User experience is crucial for any software. PhantomBuster provides a clean and intuitive interface but requires some technical knowledge to set up the automation scripts. Expandi, however, has a more user-friendly interface with simple point-and-click setup for campaigns. It also offers an in-app chat support for immediate assistance, making it more accessible to non-technical users. Now, let's talk about integrations. PhantomBuster supports integration with Google Sheets and Zapier, which allows you to connect with hundreds of other apps. Expandi, on the other hand, integrates directly with popular CRM systems like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive, making it a better choice if you are heavily reliant on these platforms for your marketing efforts. Performance is another important aspect. PhantomBuster's performance largely depends on the complexity of the scripts you're running. For simple tasks, it works flawlessly. Expandi, on the other hand, is known for its consistent performance and speed, regardless of the campaign complexity. Security is paramount. Both PhantomBuster and Expandi take data security seriously. PhantomBuster uses 256-bit SSL protocol for data transmission, whereas Expandi uses OAuth 2.0 for LinkedIn authorization. Both services do not store your passwords, ensuring your account's safety. After comparing their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, and security, the winner is Expandi. Here's why. Expandi is more user-friendly, provides better CRM integration, offers consistent performance, and specializes in LinkedIn automation, which is crucial for B2B marketing. Thank you for watching our comparison of PhantomBuster and Expandi. We hope this helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful comparisons. Stay tuned for more.